Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 basic Java entry questions. What is an immutable object? Object that can't be changed after instantiation are called as immutable object. Say in your application you want some objects. Once the state has been initialized, you don't want anyone to change it. Then you can use immutable object. The conditions are you should not have any setters, and you should have marked the variables as final so that no one can reset the state of an object. Difference between checked and unchecked exceptions. Exceptions that are checked at the compile time are called checked exceptions. In exception hierarchy, all classes that extends exception class except the unchecked exception comes under checked exception. For example, you have checked exceptions like you have thrown from a called method, but if you in the callee method, if you have not handled it properly, then during the compile time it will throw an error. You will get a compiler. It will say someone is throwing from the called method, but you are not handling it, so it will throw a compile error. The exceptions that are not checked at compile time are called unchecked exceptions. Classes that extends runtime exceptions comes under unchecked exceptions. Array index out of bound exception, null pointer exception are the example for unchecked exception. Give an example of checked and unchecked exception. ClassNotFoundException is checked exception, whereas NoClassDefFoundError is unchecked exception. What is a singleton class? Singleton class is a class which will have only one object can be created. A singleton class can be achieved having a private constructor and a public static method, so that whenever someone wants to create an object, they can call the public static method and get the object created. So we are controlling the creation of an object of the class, and we are giving the responsibility to the same class to create the object. So you can mark the constructor as private, so no outside class can create object of that class. Name few Java exceptions. Index out of bound exception, NoClassDefFoundError, out of memory error, illegal argument, illegal thread state exceptions. Hope these 5 questions are really helpful for your interview preparation. Thank you and all the best.